Welcome to FieldAx. Today, we'll explore how HVAC companies can efficiently add and manage their installed systems and assets. Installed systems refer to the equipment or machines your team installs for customers, like air conditioning units, chillers, or ventilation systems. FieldAx helps you store every detail, from model numbers to installation dates, all in one place. Without proper tracking, service teams often lose visibility of installed equipment, leading to missed maintenance schedules and delayed repairs. FieldAx ensures complete visibility, helping teams stay proactive and accurate. Let's take an example. An HVAC company uses FieldAx to manage customer installations. Their admin officer records each system, linking it to the right customer, location, and service record. This saves time, avoids confusion, and ensures smooth customer support. Now, let's explore the steps for configuring a newly installed system. Open your account, and you'll see the Installed Systems section. Click the New button. Fill in the necessary details. Then click Save and Continue. And that's it. Your installed system is now added and visible right here. FieldAx, simplifying service management, one system at a time. Thank you for watching.